Video I am going to unbox the Smallrig, which is a popular magic cam with super clamp, so which can be used for multiple video making purposes, and it's a very popular product. So if you want to check out, in the video description I have provided the link, you can have a look. So it's like the caption looks really nice, free your dream, and this is the box which I got from there, and there are some information like, okay, so what we are more interested is what is inside there, and it's just open it from here. And the packing is really good, even the quality of the packing, I feel it really nice. So this is the first time I am seeing kind of bubble sheet. It is not plastic bubble sheet, it's a, I mean, from cardboard or something they made it. It's a sustainable way, which I can say. Then let us open it, what is inside it. Looks really nice. You can see it gives a premium feel. So here is the basic clamp, so I think we have to just loosen it, then it automatically comes really loosened bit. So this is the arm you have to clamp to important places. You can just rotate it, and there is something rubber padding is given. It's not exactly rubber, but it is a soft padding, so there won't be any issue with that, I guess so. Also you can tight it using this thing. And here is a ball joint functionality, so you can select which angle you want from here. Suppose I am putting an angle like this here, and let me tighten it. So once I tighten it, it's really strong from here, and this is the place there is a ball joint given. So I think you have to loose it for yeah, for everything it has to be loosened, and this ball joint I can adjust accordingly. So there is a good connection, because then it will be too rigid and strong, which I can feel it. So I'll tighten it from here. See, now it is really strong. So this is, if you want to purchase, in the video description I have provided the link, so you can have a look into this. So this is all about Smallrig magic arm. It's the build quality is really good. I think it's metal, and the tightening thing is plastic, but it's really strong, and there is a firm gripping ground, which is also made of plastic, and there is good padding is given, and the material quality, and it looks like steel. I don't know exactly, you can check in the video description and product page. So there is a tightening arm, and there is a ball joint also. You can adjust according to your requirement. Yeah, it's rotating, nice.